Alright, next I'm going to show you guys how to draw a bee. Alright? So first you're gonna start with the body. It's gonna be like a kind of a nice kind of oval-y shape, like half an oval, alright? We're gonna get that in real good. There we go. Then we're gonna want to put in the eyes. So we're gonna get some two big old eyes in here. There we go. We're gonna leave that there for now.
Oh,
And then we're gonna start wanting to make the base.
oh
So the bee
wow.
is
I'm
multicolored.
done with this dude.
And then we're gonna put the stinger. Wait, hold up, hold up. Then you're gonna want to each layer. You're gonna
Stinger.
color it in different colors. And then you're gonna want to give it some eyes. Give it a mouth. And then give it the little antennas. And then some wings. And then you got the stinger. There, you got yourself a bee.
No, Jonathan.
And then you're gonna want to go ahead and give the bee a massive